Hi, I'm Brian, Technical Service Manager at IPC. Today we're going to look at brushes, both the different types that we have as far as construction and material that we can use to clean floor surfaces. We offer a multitude of disc brushes in different sizes, and we also have cylindrical options. No matter if it's a cylindrical or a disc, we have different fiber material to meet your needs. Most of our brushes are going to be a nylon bristle. This is what would be standard when you order your machine, whether it is a cylindrical or a disc. On the disc unit, you can see that the outside rows are going to be more of a frayed look. That's to keep water inside the brush and help us to scrub your floor. Nylon bristles work well on a multitude of surfaces, however they don't do great on some, and so we do offer other options. If you need to go more aggressive, we have a grit brush that we call our Tennant brush. Just like sandpaper, there is actually grit built into these. If you aren't careful, you definitely can damage your floor, so you would want to consult with your distributor to know if this is going to be right for your application. We also offer a soft natural bristle brush. This is going to be softer than what we normally would send with the nylon, and again, you would want to consult to verify that this would be the best option for your floor type. Soft bristle brushes would work great on a smooth surface, something that would be considered soft, a terrazzo, a natural stone, something where we don't want to scrub hard and aggressive. Conversely, if you were looking at a Tennant brush, we're looking at something that's going to be really rough, something that's incredibly dirty. Think a automotive repair shop floor, something that you need to get in and aggressively remove dirt. You should be doing daily maintenance, and part of that on every machine is that we need to check to see if our brush indicator is showing that our bristles are wore down, whether it be a nylon brush, whether it be the soft natural bristle brush. All of our brushes, including our cylindrical, will have an indicator to show you that your bristles are wore. If you have any questions or problems, whether it be worn bristles or other issues with your brush, feel free to contact us and we can help you. While most people traditionally will buy a disc machine, we do also offer cylindrical. The big benefit of a cylindrical over a disc machine is that you can sweep and scrub in one pass. And since it is a scrubber, debris will be collected wet, which means that you will have better dust control. No matter what size brush your machine takes, whether it be a single 20-inch brush, the smaller 12 or 14-inch for a dual brush setup, or even cylindrical, these options are available, and you just need to call for pricing and part numbers.